Since last year, we have achieved important progress in strengthening national defense and armed forces. The People's Armed Forces demonstrated fine conduct by reacting swiftly to the Paris Command and shouldering heavy responsibilities in COVID-19 control. We will implement Xi Jinping thinking on strengthening the armed forces and the military strategy for the new era. We will continue to enhance political loyalty of the armed forces, strengthen them through reform, science and technology, and training of capable personnel, and run the military in accordance with law. We uphold the Paris absolute leadership over People's Armed Forces and implement the system of ultimate responsibility resting of the chair of the Central Military Commission will firmly safeguard China's sovereignty, security, and development interests. We will complete the crucial tasks laid down in the 13th Five-Year Plan for development of the armed forces, and throughout the 14th Five-Year Plan, we will deepen reforms in national defense and the military, increase our logistic equipment support capacity, and promote innovative development and defense-related science and technology. We will improve the system of national defense mobilization and ensure that the unity between military and the government and between the military and the people remains rock solid.